Dude, stop. I was not. Dude. Fuck, man, dude, I was not.
NANI?
Dynamite! Dynamite!
Alright, let's get into it. Clap. It's the segment. It's what keeps this channel afloat. It's the reason why you're here. This is the Identity Booth, and this is the Crazy Karen Corner. But today we got ourselves a Kenneth Cole the third, and I need you to just see this. No setup, no backstory. I just need you to see this happen in real time. Okay. All right.
Dude, I wasn't doing anything, I promise. Dude, I wasn't doing anything, I promise.
I'm fucking trying to break in my crib, bro.
Dude, I wasn't. Dude, I wasn't. Dude, stop, please, I wasn't. Dude, I wasn't. Dude, I wasn't. I wasn't. Dude, I wasn't. I was trying to fucking figure out how to get in my door, because my door's fucked up. I was trying to fucking have another door to do it on. I swear to God, dude.
You know what's wrong with
Please,
you?
dude, I swear to God.
You know I was fucking home, did you?
Dude, I was not trying to break in your house. Dude, stop. I was not. Dude. Fuck, man, dude, I was not trying to break in your house. Did you hear me? Did you hear me, dude?
Yo.
Dude, my door's fucked up, remember? I was trying to fucking get another door to fucking see how I could do it, man. I swear to God, what the fuck did I break in your house?
Fucking ass cracker, stop lying.
Fuck, dude.
You know I was home.
Fucking serious?
Nigga,
My door's
you
fucked
trying to
up.
break my shit for the last minute, niggas. I
swear
got
to
you
God.
on video.
Dude, I'm
I
not.
got you on fucking video, dog.
Dude.
I got you on motherfucking video, dog.
Dude,
You
I
know,
wasn't.
put your ass out, nigga.
Stop. Dude, I
Fuck out my
wasn't.
face, dog.
Do you hear me? Remember I called you the other day about
Nigga,
Bella?
lay down, man.
Dude,
Fuck
remember
out
I
my face,
called you
nigga.
about Bella?
You trying to break my shit the
I
whole
was
time.
not.
Man, get the fuck out my face.
Dude,
I'm
are you
knock you out.
serious? Dude.
Hey, dude. Yo, the level of calmness, this dude, that fourth smack really woke his ass up. He was like, dude. Okay, so let's get his story straight for him since he all the way fucked up. Let's just get a close. I just want to look. How do I want to remember this guy's face? It's that fourth smack that really woke him up. It was that one right there. It was that way he got noticed. He was like, yeah, I'm listening. Yo, all right. So for two authors, you know, I want redemption. That's what I want. Watching these Karens and Kens act a fool and not suffer consequences has now become too much to bear. I now want to start witnessing these people suffer. And I want to start watching them suffer for a particular reason. Because they have to. There's no rhyme or reason. This isn't about justice. This isn't about vengeance. This is just about, I just want to see it. And the level of just, I caught you red-handed. Like he didn't even, he submitted. He rolled over. He didn't even try and fight it. He didn't try to acknowledge it. And let's just say this, and I love the fact that this guy was so dumb that he actually has his own door to practice on. Why wouldn't you just practice on your own door so you're good enough to finally then try this tactic on another person's door? But this is the crazy part, and this is how you know. You know that saying, it be the person right next to you doing you dirty. He'll steal your shit and help you look for it. He didn't even try this in a different neighborhood. He went the next door over. Literally the next door over. And just shout out to this guy for catching it. I just want to hear the chain of events one more time. Just for the road. the shame and guilt kept him down.
Dude, I wasn't doing anything, I promise.
Let's see how many
Dude, I
times
wasn't
it says
doing anything,
dude.
I promise.
I'm jumping in my crib, bro.
Dude, I wasn't.
2,
Dude, I wasn't.
3,
Dude, stop, please, I wasn't.
4,
Dude, I wasn't.
5,
Dude, I wasn't.
6,
I wasn't. Dude, I wasn't. I was
7.
trying to fucking figure out how to get in my door. My door's fucked up. I was trying to fucking have another door to do it on. I swear to God, dude.
8,
Please, dude, I swear to God.
You know I was fucking home, did you?
Dude, I was not trying to break into your house. Dude, stop. I was not. Dude.
12. That's look at him. It's that one. Yo, it's that one right there that got him. Hey, get fucked. He was clapping his face. He was literally clapping his face. Oh, man, that's great. I don't even care how many times he said, dude. That's amazing. All right. Let me set up the next one for y'all.